But what's inside the box?
Hello, Kesler.
Hi, Blippi.
What? Oh, you have a box today.
Yep, I have a box.
Wow, what is inside the box?
We'll find out. Welcome to Kesler Shares. And today, we are going to learn about the alphabet. Alphabet starts with the letter A. So, we are going to learn about the letter A. A has an uppercase A and a lowercase a. Now, let's see if you can draw them. Uppercase A is a down, down, wide. Did you get it correct? Good job. Now, for the lowercase a curve and down. Did you get it correct? Good job. Now, do you want to find something inside this box? But what's inside the box?
Hello, Kesler.
Hi, Blippi.
What? Oh, you have a box today.
Yep, I have a box.
Wow, what is inside the box?
We'll find out. Oh, we have an aeroplane. Yeah. Wee, whoosh, whoosh. Wee, whoosh. Woo.
Wow, that was so fun.
Let's see more things inside the box. Oh, there is some apples.
Wow, apples are delicious.
I like to eat. 8% bananas. I like to eat. 8% bananas. I like to eat. 8% bananas. I like to eat. 8% bananas.
Hey, Kesler.
Hi.
Can I eat the apple?
Okay.
Oh! Yeah, that's so delicious! I want to eat more! Do you have more apples inside the box?
No.
Ah.
Okay, the next thing is an airliner. It's a passenger airplane.
Wow, Kesler! Have you seen an airliner before?
Yep, I have.
Where have you been?
I have been to Penang.
Oh, you've been to Penang, Malaysia. That's cool. You must have a lot of fun.
Yeah, time for departure. I hope you like my sharing. If you like my video, click like and subscribe. See you next time.